Vale, campeón. Vale, mubawadde mu mutwalo ono.
How are you, sugar? I'm okay. How are you, sugar?
I'm okay.
What are you scared of?
So ulekenzi kankuletere yebi kankuletere mazzi.
Producer tula tubande tukola. Kale wallahi nalabye Sanchez nga zene Edwin ne manya.
No manyati.
Waliwo ekitali kituufu. Ate kasaba nami nti banoonya mutoro.
Very what?
So ulekenzi je. Uzi je.
Bamisamu togenda sika kwogera ne mukazi wo nga yakazaala.
Happy Girlfriend's Day!
Oh my God.
Oh.
This is so emotional.
Banana. The things are real. Banana sugar. Happy Girlfriend's Day.
Look at this. Look at this. Girlfriend's Day.
Omwana mwaka 360. Bye. Even you go emotional.
How did the sugar make it?
Mama yamunaza ekyogero.
Banana, the girlfriend and boyfriend takolede with a red flag.
Eh?
A red flag anambemu. Kino kyebayita okuwoma. Kino kyebayita okuwoma.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
Tokaba kubanga bino tebisangika. I know.
Having a good man like
Nchimanyi na sugar. You guys. Bakyala banno bawe ku magezi sugar. Bambi akabye. Akabye kino gwali okirabye.
It's okay.
No.
It's okay.
This is your time to shine.
The man can comfort. Banana. Hey, Amos.
It's okay. You can cry.
Oromiza banji.
Amos lovins.
Indeed you are loving.
Amos loving yatega kibayita omukwano. Omukwano yagutegeera gumutiirikako butiiriisi guti. Allah.
Echi baby.
Amos lovins. Nabagamba, he's the sexiest man we have in the country. Oh no. I don't know if sugar kyamutegeera. Ekyana kyamutegeera. Amos lovins. Oh my God. Baana bawala muyigebe. Baana bawala mulaba ki? Banange Amos lovins.
Sugar. Sugar. Sugar is crying, Banange. Banange. Oh.
Banange lavwe sugar.
Finally, Sugar afunye amwagala.
Lavwe sugar.
Wow. Banana.
Amos loving alongside
Sugar.
Oh my God.
Cut him.
Bana wala mugwirana n'obulenzi lezi.
Amos. Omukwano omalezi.
Omukazi wakamufuna mwezi gumu naye maama by'omukolera.
Merci mwezi.
Si mwezi gumu.
Banga.
Mumaze banga.
Bananga akasajja kamanyi omukwano.
Abaddengawo.
Akasajja kamanyi omukwano.
Olunaku luno olwa girlfriend.
She has been behind me in my reggae band.
Ebbanga lingi.
She has been advising me into enjoy. That's what I've been telling people. Beauty with brain.
Oh, beauty with what?
Not just being beautiful, but was a bifibiankoko. Simanya Dubai nga togattako. Abasajja babikoye.
Sugar. How do you feel? Among all, your man can notice that today it's a girlfriend's day. Sugar. Okubanga mbakazi bonna your boyfriend has managed to know that today is a girlfriend's day. How do you feel?
I'm glad. I'm glad he has. I'm glad he has. But I feel like I've been getting this every day. I mean, probably just so it's just that Chegata County, it's a special day because it's a day that's okay. But this mind at Jaco Jukina, we both had tight schedules. Okay. And then the day I expect these things is actually my birthday. Nel nakurabagala not na birthday yeso. Bibeda kati bibi. So simanyi ntagenda kusoba. I knew other programs of his ngamanya agenda kola n'ebirala. Baron zino si chali wange. He was supposed to tell me oba kale gwe Edrin oba gwe Sanchez. Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey.
But thank you for being a good person. Oh, man. Of course, thank you for being a good person, a good friend. You know?
What has made you cry?
This has been a very, very hard week for me. Yeah, I think I've been breaking down the whole week. I rarely talk to people apparently. Boba we gendiriza mbadde nkendeza nokola interviews. So I'm reflecting a lot on myself. Kwesembeleza abantu banjagala ebyaddala, and these are signs, yeah, that it's working.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good at seeing an
That should be a story for another day. It's such emotional.
You are still emotional. What is special in Amos?
Amos is a man. He's not a boy.
Is a what?
A man.
Not a boy. Sikuza konga.
Shani echimala chimala batuleke. Never lie.
You guys are inspiring the young generation.
No, baku inspiring.
Buli muntu yanifunye omuntu amwagala goge mazima. Buli muntu yanifunye omuntu akwagala.
Era kati bakutwala kati.
Ogenderawo. Onyuse. Muddawa.
Tetuna manya wowe mudda. Muddako.
Kache muddako ye honeymoon chichi.
Tetwemanyi. Yeah. Naddamu sangati Paul kulisena zipate engoloza twemanyi. Nga tetwemanyi tetulabanga. Bangambe gwasina.
Kabatu wera bana abagalana.
Omwami aliwasigwa
mu mabega.
Ingo gwa mu left.
Ana where? Bana boy we Uganda huyo. Bana boy Uganda's bana boy.
Kati batu wera yakayimba abagalana bamwe.
Rose chi.
Osuda tipo mu Jembalala.
Uganda, jangu so banyonyole. Long time general, long time friend.
No, my brother.
No mu Jembalala just kujayimba kalvasi we kati.
Hey. So wetu we Sanja agenda yajiwanika.
Sugar walogera wa.
Kiriya. Abantu basanyufu okulaba. Buli omu agamba awatikola. Laba le.
Omujembalala ajaja sikuyirako.
Baana bawala. Mufune kye mwe. Sokoleke.
Muddemu bulungi.
Kate mbulungi.
Obumuli bwe buno. Niwe kimuli roses. Yaba kwinali complete. Abo bareke baganda. It's alright. Kuba
Ana shuga wanabo olwega.
Kigoba wano.
Kikwanda tokijjako. Ekyo kikyo. No, waliwo kye bateeka. Wamanya olugezigezi lwaliko.